everyone! It's me again, Niña, your Amaze Nation bestie. Yes, hindi na po siya Amazon Nation. It's already Amaze Nation. 2024 is going to be an exciting year for all of us because hindi na lang Amazon e-commerce ang pag-aaralan natin, but other branches of pagiging virtual assistant, freelancer. I am talking about SEO, Etsy, Shopify, email marketing, bookkeeping, lahat yan here in Amaze Nation. So watch out, you guys! So, hindi lang Amaze Nation ang nagbago, but also my life has transformed for the last 3 years. Before 2021, I was in events marketing. But of course, alam naman natin nangyari nung pandemic. Sabi nga ni Kim Chu, bawal nga daw lumabas ng 2021. So ako, naging masunurin ako. Ayoko magkasakit, ayokong maghatid ng sakit sa loob ng bahay ng parents ko. Naghanap ako ng other sources of income sa bahay lang. So I started as an ESL tutor, but I feel na hindi siya sustainable and for me because lagi ko naka-on cam. Just like everyone else, I did a lot of research until I stumbled upon Amazon Nations or Amaze Nations now, success stories. Grabe, sobrang na-inspire ako, like someone as young as 20 years old, earning 6 digits a month, single parents, nagkakaroon ng mas doble yung income nila compare sa dati nilang corporate world. Since very trusted na nga ang Amaze Nation and it has helped a lot of lives ng mga Filipinos earning from home, sabi ko, okay, let's try this. So, nag-ipon ako noon ng pang-investment ko, which is I've never done before, but it was the best decision of my life. 2021, 2022, and 2023, a lot of my life has changed. I am sharing to you this, guys, because who knows? Ito rin ang maging destiny mo. So, what happened to me 3 years as an Amazon VA? Let's talk about it. But before I reveal that, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our Amaze Nation channel para naman magkaroon ka ng ideas, mga tips, strategies, and learn from other freelancers here in our YouTube channel. Oh, and also check our description box below. Meron doon yung link about new informations about Amaze Nation. So, how my life changed as an Amazon VA for 3 years, ang una dyan ay nabibili ko na lahat ng gusto ko. Alam nyo guys, dati nag-work ako, parang 2017, 18 pa ata yun. Yung sweldo ko, wala na akong natitira sa savings ko. As in, walang pang good time, walang pang fun time. Lahat napupunta na siya sa expenses ko. I think kulang pa nga kasi napupunta siya sa pag-commute, kain, bills. Therefore, lagi na lang ako nag-window shopping. Like, pag pupunta ako sa mall, parang sukat-sukat na lang, hanggang pangarap na lang. Ganun ba? Since ito na nga yung work ko, freelancer, mas nagkaroon ako ng control. Yung cash flow ko, na ma-manage ko na siya by having people clients, have high demand skills. So, nung dati pong puro window shopping ako, ngayon, nabibili ko na siya. Pag nakita ko ng gusto ko sa akin, yung suot ko or bagay sa akin, bibilin ko na because I say I deserve. And finally, na-heal ko na yung inner child ko. Kasi, nung bata ko, hindi lahat nabibili ko, nagugusto. Even though I was an only child, my parents did not spoil me about it. They always taught me na you have to work hard sa things na gusto mong makamit. So, thanks to my skills as an Amazon VA. Number 2, I started investing with confidence. Noong una, when I hear about the word investing, ang unang takot sa isip ko is, hala, baka maubos yung pera ko or baka hindi bumalik yung pera ko. Kasi, alam mo, ang hirap kumita ng money, tapos parang dun lang mawawala. But now, na nandito na ako sa ganitong industry, hindi na ako natatakot mag-invest. May confidence ako kasi panatag ako na meron pa akong matatanggap at the end of the month. And kung matalo man ako sa kung ano man ma-invest ko, bawi lang ako, dagdag na dagdag ng mga kliyente or mag-invest lang sa skills ko. So, nung nag-grow na yung mga finances ko, yung savings ko, mas gusto ko pa mag-grow. And that is through investing in different equities, mga properties, stocks, VUL, insurances, yan. I know that at the end of the day or in my retirement, merong nakahanda. All of these I am taking for my industry and sa clients ko. Third I never miss out on important family events. Pag merong mga events kami, mapa-afternoon pa yan, morning, evening, always present ako dyan. Lalo na kung Monday to Friday yung ganap. Kasi kapag nasa corporate ka, hindi mo magagawa yon. Nasa office ka lang, may time in ka sa morning, may time out ka sa afternoon. Possible na hindi ka laging makaka-attend ng mga family events mo. And that is kapag weekdays. Freedom is one of the achievements sa pagiging Amazon VA. Fourth is, I can beat rush hours and busy schedules. As I said a while ago that being an Amazon VA gave me a freedom, yes, that is true because, for example, may mga appointments ako or kailangan kong lumabas ng bahay. Meron akong freedom na hindi ko kailangan lumabas during rush hour, which is karamihan, yun ang labas na time nila sa mga office nila. Kasi pag diba sa corporate, ang usual na time schedule nila ay morning is 8, sa afternoon naman ay 5. Hindi mo na kailangan makisapak doon. Lumalabas ako mga tanghali, around 11 a.m. or 3 p.m.-ish. Walang masyadong traffic, onti lang ang tao sa labas. Lagi ako nagpapasat ng schedule niya, papupunta ako sa dentist. And even sa grocery, guys, sobrang laking bagay pag hindi ka sa rush hour nag-grocery kasi sobrang haba ng pila. Lalo na pag Saturdays and Sundays, I don't do groceries on Saturdays and Sundays kasi sobrang ubos sa time yung haba ng pila noon. So, thankful ako because as an Amazon VA and a freelancer, this gave me a freedom to save a lot of time and energy. 5, I can work best when I am productive. Nung time na sa events ako, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., yun yung mga time na super-duper productive ako. Ang nangyari, me, personally, I'm a night owl. Hindi nagpa-function brain ko kapag umaga. Mas creative ako, mas masipag ako kapag mga 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. When you're an Amazon VA, usually mga clients mo, diba, sa abroad. So, ang mga working hours nila sa time natin ay evening. I work best sa time na kung ano akong productive. Meron naman nagsasabi na may mga corporate naman na night shift, bakit hindi yun ang piliin ko? Of course, hindi yun ang pipiliin ko. Ayoko mag-commute ng gabi, ayoko na nasa labas na sobrang gabi. Gusto ko nasa bahay lang, mag-work na nakapajama. So that's 5. Now, let's talk about number 6. It's finally, I get to travel to places that I want. Truth be told, mas madali mag-leave kapag freelancer ka. Kasi magpapaalam ka lang sa client mo, hey, is it okay if I take a leave at this specific day or week? As long as maganda yung ginawa mong task or naging responsible ka the last few days. Dapat ganon. But kapag sa corporate, kailangan mo pang magdrama kay HR or makisuyo kay boss. Well, example lang naman. But what I'm trying to say is may mga proseso ka pang kailangan pagdaanan. Kailangan mo mag-submit ng papers, kumausap sa HR, kumausap sa boss mo, tapos makikipag-negotiate ka pa sa mga kasama mo, lalo na kung may mga shift. Kapag freelancer, this has been a blessing to many, especially to digital nomads ha. You can bring your work sa magagandang places. In my experience, I went to Bali. Nagkaroon ako ng magandang experience doon, working in front of beach, while staying productive and while still earning. So, yun ang matatawag ko na #goals. 7th na nag-change ay ang aking mindset. When you are surrounded with a lot of people or a community that is committed to self-improvement, to taking all the risks what the world has to offer, as long as magandang mga kinalabasan, mahahawa ka eh. Lalo na pag may mga community meetups, mga events in Amaze Nation, nai-inspire ako sa mga different stories of the people in our community. Kung yung dati nilang mga struggles, ngayon ay sobrang ginhawa na ang buhay nila. More time with family, more opportunities of earning. Ayan, at sabay-sabay nag-manifest ng kanilang financial freedom. So, really hoping that you guys try to be part of our community. Ayan guys, sana namulat kayo sa magandang opportunities in freelancing. Third year ko pa lang yan I am so excited kung ano pa kayang mangyari sa 4th year, 5th year, 6th year. Nako, for sure, bonggang mga nangyayari. So I hope we all manifest, grow together, and makamit lahat ng mga pangarap natin in the world of freelancing. So this is Niña, your Amaze Nation bestie, and with Amaze Nation, we offer you life-changing learnings and extraordinary living. See you next time!